Easter is the perfect time to celebrate being together with your friends and your family, and joining us this morning to show us some great ways to do a Easter brunch at home is our good friend and event planner, Jamie O'Donnell with Jamie O & Co. Great to see you.
Good morning.
Great to see you. Happy Easter to you.
Happy Easter.
Okay, so I love this because you brought some fabulous ideas to do Easter brunch at home, which I like because it's a little more enjoyable when you can sit home instead of going out to the restaurant and you can kind of relax and enjoy each other.
I agree. And it's also fun to kind of pick things that you could get the kids involved in so that they feel they're a part of the whole celebration, and it takes pressure off of you, which is really the key. So I kind of put together some different crafts and things that you can do with the kids, and, you know, of course, some sweet treats because Easter is all about the candy.
I agree.
I agree.
I love the chocolate eggs. All right, talk to me about these placemats because they're super cute.
Yes. So I love these DIY placemats, and they're really fun to do with the kids. So basically, if you take any just light colored placemat like this, and then you're going to take some embroidery thread, which is a bit of a thicker thread. I found this at Michael's for 39 cents, so just buy it in kind of like a stem color green. And then you're really just going to take a tapestry needle, which is a thicker needle, and then you're going to knot it on the back, and then all you do, you don't have to be a sewer to know how to do this. You just weave it in and out, and you create the type of stem that you want.
Right. Okay.
So like on this one, we just created one stem, and then you sew, these are just faux flowers, you pull the tops off, sew a snap to the back.
Right.
Sew the other half of the snap to the placemat, and then snap them on.
So cute.
I know, so
and this
cute.
one's adorable too. Let's look at this one.
Yeah.
Same kind of idea.
So you can do a whole branch of flowers. You just, again, just sew the different stems that you want on there, and then snap these little guys on here, and
oh my gosh, that's so
that
cute.
way if the placemat gets dirty, you can throw the placemat in the wash, pull the flowers off, throw it in the wash, and then you have a clean placemat.
I love it. Can I ask you about this right here? This is what you would use instead of a charger plate, kind of, right?
That's exactly what I did. I wanted to kind of bring more of a natural element to the table design. So there's these moss squares. I just bought this at Michael's, and the best part was that I bought it on sale for 50% off because all their spring florals on sale. So it's $6, and I loved it. Just kind of a natural element, an unexpected thing to use as a charger plate, exactly.
So cute. Okay, tell me about these because I totally want to eat one.
I know, you totally can eat one. So these, I call them peep kebabs. So you just use, you know, the kebab sticks and then thread the peeps on there. Just buy a bunch of different colors. It's fun for the kids to do. It was fun for me to do.
You could make s'mores out of that too,
You
right?
can.
Put a little campfire out in the backyard after Easter brunch. And then
Yes, absolutely.
That sounds yummy.
I'm all about the candy.
I know, me too, me too. These are so cute.
These are so cute, and they're so easy to do. So these are Bird's Nest Rice Krispie treats. So all you do, and I was super lazy, I even just made the Rice Krispie treats in the microwave. You know, you can just melt the butter.
They taste the same.
They taste the same. And then what you do is you fill a cupcake tray, a cupcake pan, fill it halfway, and then what I did, you want to spray the back of a spoon with some of the cooking oil so it won't stick, and then press the center into the form, and then let them kind of dry and harden, and then these are just those malted eggs.
I like the chocolate ones, but I'll let you get by with malted.
For this version, I would say use the malted nut one. But they just make a really cute treat, and again, it's just fun decor for your table as well.
And this is so cute. So instead of the grass, you use like, what is this, licorice or something?
Yeah, it's green licorice.
Ah, it's so cute.
So if you can find the edible grass, use that. Otherwise, I just cut up green licorice.
That's super cute. Okay.
And the best part is I got the candy from the dollar store, so it's not like you have to go out and spend a ton of money. You can just have a fun craft for the kids. And again, it looks great on the table.
It does. It's so pretty. Okay, these are so cute. Tell me about this.
I love this one too. So if you're not using real silverware, but you're having a party and using disposable, this is just a fun little craft that you can do with the kids too, is you just buy orange napkins, buy green flatware, and then roll them up and stick them in a pot, a terracotta pot, throw a ribbon around it, and it looks like you're picking carrots.
I love it. Okay, and Jamie, this is how long you and I have been friends. I remember these from the last time you did one of these with us, and remember when the girls came in and they helped to make these?
Yes, we made them with your gorgeous daughters. And then I bought these again at Michael's, but what we did is we added the insert of the different fabrics to give it a little bit more fun to it. And then the last thing I want to talk about too is if you want to add a little bit, bring more nature to your table, is actually you can buy edible flowers.
This is good.
No, pink lemonade, I love it. Buy the edible flowers, I bought them at Whole Foods. You can buy a pack of them, and then just use distilled water so the ice cubes are clear, and just put a flower in your ice cube tray, freeze them.
Doug, come over here, because I'm not sure that Doug can see this. Doug, look at this. Look, so the flowers are inside the ice cube. How cute is that?
It's just a fun little spring thing, but definitely use the edible flowers because that way you know they're food grade.
Sure.
And they're not sprayed with anything.
Right.
So
I love it. Jamie, these
just
are great
easy
ideas.
tricks to make your table look fun for Easter, have some fun crafts to do with the kids, and have a wonderful
Enjoy the
celebration with your
day.
friends and family.
Absolutely. How can our viewers find you for more great ideas like these?
Yes, all the tips and instructions and where I got everything are on jamieo.co, and you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter at jamieo&co.
You're the best. Love ya.
Happy Easter,
Thanks,
everybody.
Jamie.